Rules of money. It's a game. Here is the good news, the game can be learned. This rule, I feel, is very solid. You have to stay in the game to win it. Don't be a hater of money. I am very much aware of the love of money as the root of all evil. I am going to say is that money does lots of goods in the world too. It's a doubles game. There is a reason why one of the best ways to scam people is to tell them you can double their money. Subconsciously, we know this to be true. Money is a doubles game. You have to seduce money, don't let money seduce you. The richest man in Babylon also touched base on this concept. That money has to be seduced. The law of attraction is described as a universal force that responds to your energetic signal. Be good with timing. This is not to be mistaken for timing the market. We already established in a prior post that you cannot time the market. Know when to spend versus when to cut expenses down, both in personal life and in business. Don't let money get bored. Always use your money. Move it to where it can work for you. This is not to be confused with the emergency fund, which we will discuss next. Have a crisis account. I cannot endorse a secret crisis account unless you want me to get in trouble with Mr. So I have modified this to mean emergency fund. Don't fly first class. The key to wealth is to never spend more than necessary at any given time. If the billionaires don't fly first class, what would be my excuse to fly first class? You can let other people pay for your first class. Study how you get taxed. First is to decide if the country that you are in favors your financial plan. Obviously, if you can leave the country, it is better to move to a country that fits your financial climate. End of the world mentality. Basically, all the financial gurus get paid to sell crisis. Do not think the end of the world is coming in terms of investment. Otherwise, you will make the wrong decision.